Hi there. In this quick video we'll be taking a look at this CRIVIT Bike Multi Tool, suitable for all CRIVIT bike models. I'm hoping it's also suitable for other bikes, but we'll see about that. Do we have any English? Yep, right here is the English. Chrome vanadium tools, tempered tool steel. Okay. Two-part design, compact, practical bag. Okay, so it seems to be in a bag. Perfect for on the go. And this is what it contains. So feel free to bottle opener. That's important. This is what it has. Feel free to pause at any time to check them out. This is the IAN code, some people ask for it, so here it is. I was into biking as a kid a lot, and I mean a lot, but years passed and I barely went biking, I think for many years, I would say almost 20 years. And now I've rebuilt my bicycle from when I was not necessarily a kid, a teenager, and I want a toolkit with me. I don't want to remain stranded who knows where, so I saw this at Lidl and decided, a good idea. Ooh, and it's much beefier than I initially thought, honestly. Okay-ish. It's 10 millimeter. So you pull it out, you rotate it, it locks in place, and you have a 10 millimeter. Okay, that's actually cool. Nice idea. And you can just slide it down and it will not allow it to come out the little ball. Okay. Obviously you have your Allen keys, various sizes, Torx, Phillips. It's Phillips, not piezo, from it's a PH, so Phillips number 2, not a piezo drive, or I'm not sure how that's properly pronounced. Anyway, okay, what else? This 8 millimeter, okay, all sorts of thingies. Oh, so this is for your chain, isn't it? If it would actually be unstuck. Hey, how do I actuate that if everything... I'm an idiot. Ignore the idiot in the room, please. How do you open this up? Do you open it like this? This opens up somehow. Do you pull on that? This is a two-part set, so this comes apart in a way or another. I don't want to destroy it, so it might be actually time to read the manual. It slides. It slid a bit. It slides down. So this pulls the metal, which unlocks from here. Okay. So now you actually have access to what you need in here. I'm presuming this is what you need in there. Yeah, I was right. So you can fix your chain, for example. Get a link out of it. Interesting. Why is this with a spring on it? Is it supposed to do anything? I have no freaking clue. Oh, I think this is to you use this to keep the chain in position while you are doing that. Could be, yeah, it could actually be. So this is another tool which is hidden basically in there. What else? This is the opener, really important. Being an idiot and putting my finger in there. Does that actually have a protection? So you don't cut yourself? I think it does. But how does it work? Somehow this must come out. So yeah, probably when this is this all down, you can put your finger in here and pull on this one. Yep, and now it's coming out. So it's a knife and serrated blade. Luckily I didn't cut myself because it's, well, you know what, it's actually sharp. So I was lucky I didn't do this on it, because I would have cut myself. I just pressed on it slightly and it's not sharp enough to cut while pressing, but it is cutting, believe me. So yeah. Anyway, there's that, and it's locked in place now. It doesn't feel like a premium thing. So this is once, twice, 3 times, 10 times used randomly, but not every day. This is not the type of multi-tool that you have it with you all the time and use it whenever you want to do something. I don't think this will hold up. So this is for using more rarely. Okay. I think this is for spokes, 2 different sizes. This one I have no freaking clue. And another key, so an 8mm, 10mm, and this is a 9mm. Okay. Interesting. What can I say? I like what I see. Lots of features in here. Nice that it's able to come apart like this. It will be put to good use in my tool bag from the bike. And this comes also apart. What does it have on it? It doesn't say. So it has 3 different sizes and the big one right here. Okay, it's good. At least you have a chance when you are on the road, if you have something like this, which is kind of cheap, cheerful. It's not a premium thing. Plastic, seems fairly durable, but yeah, I wouldn't count on it. And that's about it. I don't see honestly what else to do. They are just keys. Everything should be just fine. Not easy to work with from the size of them, for sure. But if you are in a pinch on the side of the road, it's better to have something that's a bit hard or cumbersome to work with than to not have anything at all. For the weight of it, we will check this. Here it also shows us how to use it basically, but I want to see the weight. It is a bit heavy, but yeah, I'm still going to carry it with me for sure. And I missed something. Where are you? One of these things, it's actually also a flathead. Will it allow me to get it out without? This is, it's not really a flathead. It's a kind of something. I thought it's a flathead from what I saw in there, but no, it's also for the chain. You are doing something with the chain with it. I have no freaking clue what. Hopefully I will never need it. But yeah, more info right here. Feel free to read about all of them. And right here how to use them. Again, feel free to read. I will probably give it a read also, but yeah, it's just to have it around, feel a tiny bit safer, that in case something happens I might at least have a chance to tighten something right back up and continue my trip home. But yeah, obviously much more expensive tools would fare much better, but yeah. And this is about, where did I saw that? I saw somewhere almost 300 grams. So this is heavy. Don't get me wrong, this really is heavy. And if you are interested in, I don't know, pedaling for long distances, you might not want something this heavy with you. Depends. For me, hey, I will not care. I will not do long distance pedaling. The Torx is a T25. It's quite common, the T25, so that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, it is what it is. I'm going to carry it with me. Hopefully never need it, but in case I need it, it's there. And that's about it for this video. If you have any questions about it over there, feel free to ask in the comments. Hopefully I will not use it, but in case I do, I will be able to answer. And yeah, as always, see you in the next video, and bye.